Surrender.
We'll get in the other
I gave
truck.
you consent.
We'll get in the other truck. There you go.
Glad we're on the same page.
If you come to Nairobi, if you come to Kenya, you have to come on a game drive, and you'll be welcomed, and everybody will be super friendly. Come to Kenya, and if you have time, come check out the magical Kenya Open.
I've had a great time in Kenya so far, so obviously staying here on the edge of Nairobi and here in the national park, it's really cool. People are very, very friendly, and there's this on the doorstep.
I think if I had to describe Kenya in one sentence, I think the thing that comes to mind is how welcoming all the local people are, how happy they are to have people from all over the world, and how much they want to showcase the country and showcase what it has to offer.